Today we're going to go explore Box Canyon Falls in Colorado. So come along, let's check it out.
The waterfall behind me is powerful. I've never heard something or felt the force of something like that before. It's a real powerful waterfall. We're up here on top of the falls now on the High Bridge Trail. I'm going to flip the GoPro around so you can see the drop down below. The waterfall is actually right there. It drops down right there through. We're down there. You can see the cage, everything. But the waterfall flows right down through there.